Hey LinkedIn, this is Jim from Bear. Welcome to my office. I was kind of inspired by the videos that Jason Struble put together from Avnet. If you haven't seen them, check them out. There's my plug. I wanted to show you a new product today. This is a new battery-free wireless sensor from On Semiconductor. This is it. This is the whole thing. You can see it's paper thin, very light. This is able to sense moisture, this one in particular. We also have temperature and pressure. So when would you use a sensor like this? Think of it like asset tracking when you want to have another level of control. So an example I use is if I have containers of a fluid and I want to know how many containers I have, but also are they full or empty, because that's really valuable information you wouldn't otherwise have. So you can mount this to your container, and then when your fluid passes this tag, so it goes from full to empty, when you read this you would be able to know that you have the container but it is dry. Some other examples, presence sensing. So if I put this on skin, it will read that it's occupied, if you want that to be your trigger, because people are essentially giant bags of water. It's not very sensitive, but it's the truth. And then you could also use this for temperature. So the example I use a lot is seat heaters. People turn on their seat heater until they're viciously uncomfortable and then have to back it down. It would be so nice to intelligently control the temperature of your seat, and this would do it incredibly well. You pair it with a moisture one, you would also know if somebody is in the seat. Last one is industrial. Industrial is a good example. I can put this on the hose and it'll tell me if there is fluid in the hose, and then it will also let me know what the temperature is of that fluid. And then when I'm done, I can take the hose and I can throw it away and I can put a new hose on that has a tag, and I'm back in business. These are inexpensive, especially compared to those big industrial sensors. There's no batteries, there's no wires that you'd have to take this old piece out, put a new piece on. This is just attached to the outside of the hose. It doesn't even have to be in the fluid stream. So that's awesome. All you need is an RFID reader. So if this has been helpful to you, this review, if you have any questions on this, is really cool technology. Feel free to drop me a note, send me a message. I would love to chat with you. Have a wonderful day.